Hello! I would like to introduce our newest feature, the SQL Connector. With this, you can have a replica of all your data into a separate analytical database. This can be a Postgres or Microsoft SQL that you can plug into any existing tools, like Tableau, a Power BI, Excel, or even your own APIs. As this is running on a separate instance, you don't have to worry about disrupting production workloads. And as being as SQL interface in a database, you'll also have the advantage of doing complex queries, filters, joins, things that a normal REST API wouldn't enable you to do. I will demo here a couple of use cases. I have here, for example, all the tables available, so you can see that you have access to all the assets information, criticalities, failures, the assets itself, events, histories about the events, insights, inventory, and all the data that you can add into the platform is available here through the SQL interface. And with this, you can do a raw SQL query, like for example here, I'm doing a simple query to count by type of failure, and I can just run it and get a table for it, for example, or even connect to other tools. Another use case that I would like to present is importing the data directly to Excel. So for example here, I have all the same tables, and I could import, for example, asset failures. And after loading this data into Excel, I can continue my work like filtering, doing lookups with other tables as well, and doing whatever I need. The last example that I would like to show is using Power BI. With the same ease of use, with a simple connection string, you can get all the data in real time, build your own dashboards with your own KPIs, and even use other data sources that you have internally to create other KPIs that match both the data sources as well. And as the Tractian database keeps updated in real time, your KPIs and dashboards will always be updated as well. Thank you.